FAME stands for the Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education. It is a program that is nationwide for students studying in the 2-year program. Typically, the program would have been in a maintenance side, so Bishop State was very proud to be the very first school in the nation to offer process operations. FAME is really about bringing students in with an employer, with their sponsor company, to allow them to earn while they're in school. So they're getting hands-on experience in their companies and jobs, so that when they leave here, they have the book knowledge, they have the hands-on knowledge, and they've got 2 years of work experience. Being able to quit work altogether is not feasible for a lot of people. So having that opportunity to interview with companies and know that there's a career at the end of that and make the money while you're in school allows you to provide for your family. It's providing for our economic development in our region. So we're building for careers, not just jobs. Students here are actually learning about workplace culture, work ethic, time management, conflict resolution. So our students in the FAME program actually have to clock in and out every time. We have some of the best equipment that you're going to find here on the coast, where students can touch it, see it, do it, and actually get what they need. What this program does is it's preparing students to be out in the companies. These companies are able to take advantage of the availability of workforce. They're able to start training individuals while they're in school by being able to work with our companies, work with our students, have our instructors here. They're able to do that, and they get that more hands-on real-world experience that they need. We teach them pneumatics, hydraulics, electrical systems. They're going to learn how to actually run a plant. We have state-of-the-art equipment downstairs to where it actually mimics an actual chemical plant. We are building the future leaders. Bishop State is committed to our economic development. We're committed to our partners. We're committed to our students and helping them become the leaders that they want to be.